Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, please subscribe my channel. Warangal Fort. The Warangal Fort situated Warangal city and it located southern east side of Warangal city. It is the prominent landmark of Telangana state, presenting a perfect example of architectural excellence and historical richness. Layers of fortification ensuring absolutely safety. Warangal Fort impresses every visitor with the imposing structure. Although now the remains of fort still present a glimpse of the mesmerizing craftsmanship and breathtaking artistry that can be seen in the motifs, sculptures, stonework, and etc. Warangal Fort has witnessed many battles. A few of parts have been destroyed by various invaders too. The Warangal Fort, constructed by King Ganapati Deva and later his daughter Rudramadevi. Warangal Fort is symbolic of historic opulences of region during reign of Kakatiya kingdom. And the history. The construction of Warangal Fort was started by Kakatiya king Ganapati Deva during 13th century. The history of Warangal Fort is symbolic of the history of Kakatiya rule to an extent. It was built as King Ganapati Deva has shifted the capital of Kakatiya kingdom to Warangal from Hanamkonda. This fort stands 12 km away from the Hanamkonda. Later his daughter Rani Rudrama, who also headed over Kakatiya region after her father looked after the completion of this fort, a later king Prataparudra, who was also known as Rudradeva II, the last ruler of Kakatiya kingdom. He also made considerable addition of Warangal fort. This fort withstood many attacks, which led to destruction of its various parts. In 1309, Malik Kafur, who was the general of Alauddin Khilji, had launched an attack on the fort during the rule of Prataparudra II. An army consisting of around 1 lakh men attacked the fort in a battle that lasted for many months. The fort was then defended by the king Prataparudra II and his army. Later, many times Warangal fort was attacked by sultans of Delhi as well as. And Warangal Fort presents a glorious architecture. The fort is considered around 45 towers, pillars, and that all built over an area of around 19 kilometers. And the most attractive part of the fort, Gateway of Glory. This is one of the most commonly covered in the Warangal Fort images. This main gateway consists of 4 impressively curved massive pillars that have been built out of single rock. Standing strong, these pillars are around 30 feet high and presenting intricate carvings that are worth noticing. These majestic gateways, also known as Kirti Toranas, represent South Indian architectural style. In the middle of the fort, there is a temple dedicated to Mother Earth named Swayambhu Devi Alayam. This temple is said to have been built by Qutub Shahi kings. Its exquisite carvings interest every visitor. Another temple of prominence here is the Shambhalingeshwara temple, located opposite the open air museum. This temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. The museum is located at the center of the fort. Warangal Fort boasts 3-layered fortification. The fort had 3 circular walls, which created robust defense. The first wall of Warangal Fort was built during the Rudramadevi. It has an earthen wall, 2.4 kilometers around this wall. There is a moat of about 150 feet wide, which served as our limits of the fort. The second wall, after the mud wall and the moat, was a stone wall of 1.21 kilometers in diameter. This wall was built with massive granite stone which were closely fitted together. This was done with no mortar, showcasing another sign of architectural masterpiece. This fortified inner stone wall protected the central part of known as fort. This inner wall is built by King Ganapati Deva, but its height was increasing during the rule of Rani Rudrama Devi. This 29 feet long wall had 45 massive towers of rectangular shape, and there are 18 steps on the inner side of the earthen wall. These steps, made up of stones, provided access to various locations in the fort. The third ring wall is a mud wall, 12.5 kilometers in diameter. It encircles the present Warangal city. The Warangal city, the Warangal fort timings: the opening 10 a.m. to night 7 p.m. It is open all days of week. Warangal people for entry 15 rupees per person, and other foreign tourists 200 rupees per person. And the Warangal fort is located towards the southern eastern part of the city. The fort is only 5 kilometers away from Warangal railway station. Tourists can hide an auto rickshaw and reach the fort. There are also many city running regular intervals to go via the fort. Tourists can also travel via high taxi and reach the fort without any hassle. Thank you guys. Have a good day.